In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to avoid common attachment issues. First, open the new Outlook and start a new message. Click New Mail to bring up the Compose window. In that window, look for the paperclip icon labeled Attach. This is your main hub for adding files to your email. When you click Attach, Outlook immediately suggests files you've recently opened or received. This saves time if the document you need is something you just worked on. Simply click a suggested file and it will attach right away. You'll see the attachment appear beneath the subject line so you can confirm it's the correct item before you hit send. If you don't see what you need among the suggestions, look to the lower part of the attachment menu. Here you can attach specialized items. For example, choose to attach a business card, a calendar snapshot, or an Outlook item like another email or a contact. These options are useful when you want to share structured information directly within your message. You can also attach files from different locations. Select your cloud storage like OneDrive to pull in a file that lives online. Or choose Browse this computer to pick something stored locally. Cloud-based attachments are especially handy if you collaborate with others or if your files are larger, because Outlook can send them as links depending on your organization's settings. A quick note on size. Many organizations limit attachments to around a few dozen megabytes. If a file is too large, Outlook will let you know and the attachment won't be added. To avoid issues, consider compressing large files before attaching them, or store them in OneDrive so they're easier to share. Once your file is attached, double-check it's the right one. If you picked the wrong file, it's easy to fix. Click the small drop-down arrow on the attachment chip and select Remove Attachment. It will disappear instantly, and you can attach the correct file using the same steps. That's all there is to it. Start a new email, click Attach, pick your file from Suggestions, Cloud Storage, or your PC, and remove it if you need to make a quick change. If you found this walkthrough helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.